Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert connector arrow in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert connector arrows in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then select the Shapes drop down menu, and we can see here many shapes. We go to the block arrows section and we can see here many arrows. Now we select the connector arrows and draw it. Now we can see we insert connector arrows to this Publisher document very easily. You can change the color or apply more style. Select the arrow, go to the shape format menu, then select the shape fill option and choose the orange color, and you can apply more style. Go to the shape effect and you can apply the shadow. Now we can see we inserted connector arrows to this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.